In today's video, I will walk you through how to use stamp hearts in Krita. Open the brush presets docker or press F6 if it's hidden. In the search bar, type stamp hearts and select the brush. Start painting using single clicks or short strokes. Click once to place a single heart stamp, or drag your brush to create a series of repeated heart shapes. To customize the brush, press F5 to open brush settings. Adjust the size to make the heart stamps larger or smaller. Change the opacity and flow for stronger or softer effects. You can also adjust the spacing to place the heart stamps closer together or farther apart. For more flexibility, paint on a separate layer. This makes it easy to erase, blur, or adjust the heart effects later without affecting the rest of your artwork. The Stamp Hearts brush is designed to stamp heart shapes as you paint instead of drawing each heart manually. It's a good choice when you're adding decorative details, romantic effects, patterns, or creative elements to your artwork. And that's how to use the Stamp Hearts brush in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.